Get started, I want to welcome you to the Power Lead System family on behalf of myself and the entire community. And I am not an employee of the Power Lead System. I have been using their tools and training since 2013, and this is the one system that changed my life in ways that I never would have expected. Just being straight up with you. I have been online since 2012, and I have been in and out of a lot of businesses, but this one here, this is the real deal, and this is the one that has the staying power and has everything that you need to either start a business online, or if you already are involved in other businesses, it has everything you need to help you gain more leads, more sales, create your own stuff. You're going to learn all about that within the system. But I wanted to give back to the Power Lead System for everything that they've done for me and what this program has done for, my business. And I reached out and asked if I could go ahead and just make a series of videos so that you could easily understand how powerful their affiliate compensation program really is and not leave anything out. And of course, they gave me a yes. Thank you so much, Neil. So what I'm going to be doing in this series of videos, I'm going to break them down and make it very simple and easy for you to understand, because they are so good to anybody who decides to become an affiliate, and it's a very lucrative program, and I want to make sure that you understand it easily. So in this first video, what I'm going to be doing is going over the gold membership along with the 50% match bonus that they offer. That right there is something that I have not seen any other company do. Then the next video after that, I will be describing and explaining the diamond membership. The next video will be the platinum membership, and the next will be the Master Traffic Institute membership. And the reason why I want to break things down is so later on, if you kind of forget how, one works, you could easily come back and reference it at the exact point that it starts, okay? So a while back, the Power Lead System introduced a brand new affiliate compensation program. Now, what they had before was huge. Again, I had never seen anything like it in my entire time online. But they still wanted to help people to be able to get into profit quicker should they want to become an affiliate of the Power Lead System. So when they introduced this new program, the entire community went crazy over it because it worked. And it was so awesome. And so I'm going to start breaking that down for you all, right? But before we do, one quick thing I got to go over, because the Power Lead System does not guarantee that you will make any money from your use or promotions of their products and services. Now, if you choose to participate as an affiliate in their program, if you feel that this is something that's good for you, your success is going to depend on your own work ethic and other factors that may or may not be mentioned in this video. Now, any income examples in this video that I use are literally for illustration purposes only. It's so that you can understand exactly how this works and the power of it. So they're going to be just random numbers and everything else. It's only for illustration purposes only. And if any proof of commissions are shown in this video, which I will, it's still not a guarantee you would earn the same. Listen, let's just be real. You can earn less, or you can end up earning way more. All right. It is only to show you what others within the system have earned as a direct result of their own efforts. So with that being said, let's get ready and show you how simple and powerful this brand new affiliate compensation program is. So I am color coding this really easy. Now, first off, you guys, this is not an MLM or a pyramid or anything like that. This is direct sales. And because I don't have enough room on the screen to keep continuing to the right, I'm just breaking up into two sections with the examples. Anything in gold is going to represent any customers or customers who choose they want to become affiliates as well. What's going on that line, and then what is happening with you financially is going to be green. Okay, so it'll be really easy to understand. So in this first video, I'm going to be going over the residual income part of the compensation plan with the gold membership. Okay, so let's bring back that gold line, and I'm going to break this down really easy to you. So we know that the Power Lead System is $30 per month, all right? You get your first person who either is choosing just to be a customer, and there's lots of them, and also lots of affiliates. You get your first person, they pay their $30, boom, that's $20 a month to you residual, okay? Number two comes in, that's another 20. We know, we're not done. Okay, but I'm going to stop right here at the third person because I need you to understand something. When you have your first three people on your pay line, each of them paying their $30 per month, and you're earning $20 per person residual, that right there puts you in profit for anything that happens after that, because it's $30 per month for the use of the system, and then only $23.97 per month if you want to earn as an affiliate. That is one of the cheapest affiliate fees I have ever seen online to this date. So technically, that would bring you to $53.97 per month for the Power Lead system. Your first 3 people, every time they pay that, boom, you're covered. This isn't coming out of pocket anymore. Okay, you're covered. The system's free. So anything that you earn after that within the affiliate program is all profit. So let's continue on. Let's just bring out the first 10 people. That's $200 residual income per month. And another thing you need to understand is there is no cutoff to this. A lot of other businesses, after a certain amount, then you have to start passing up to your sponsor and everything. No, you could have 100, you could have 500, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 people on your pay line, all paying you $20 per month for the use of their system, whether they're an affiliate or not, and you're keeping it all. Okay? Powerful. But wait. You need to see what I am about to explain to you right now, because this was the game changer for so many people. And again, I have never seen a company take care of their affiliates like they do, and especially with this next part I'm going to break down, because it's going to surprise you. It's unbelievable. It is called the 50% match bonus, and it is huge. Okay, so this goes right along with your $20 per month residuals. So let's get to the next slide. Here you go. We've got everybody. Now this time, I should actually change that to just team. Okay, so these are not customers here. These would be people that are on your team that have chosen to participate in the affiliate program. Okay, so let's say your first person, Dawn. All right. Let's say she's earning about $840 per month with the Power Lead system, because she's an affiliate. She promotes it, and she gets people on her team too, and everything else. Right? She's making $840 a month. With the 50% match bonus from none of your efforts, this is what we call passive residual income. The Power Lead system is going to be paying you half of what she's earning as a bonus. That is $420 in this example only. Now, let's get something clear right now, and this is what blows me away. Listen up. A lot of people wonder right away, well, does that mean she only gets $420 and you get $420? Everything this woman earns, she keeps. The Power Lead system is giving you the bonus of half of everything she earns. If she starts earning $1,000 a month, she's keeping that $1,000 a month, and you're going to be getting a $500 bonus just from one person, okay? This is unheard of in this industry. It is incredible, but we're still not done. Okay, because remember, Dawn also pays for her $30 per month for her system, right? So you're getting another $20 out of that, which brings the grand total from one person, $440 per month, example only, in passive income. You're getting this from none of your own efforts. It's from what she's doing. Let's watch this grow. You got your second person here who's making $1,260 per month. Your bonus is $630, while he keeps his $1,260 plus the 20 moves it up to $650. We're just going to keep going. I want you to see this grow, but I'm going to stop right here. This is the power of this compensation plan. In this example only, you guys, if you just add up these 4 people and your match bonus is what you are getting per month, that adds up to $2,200 per month in passive residual income from the efforts of what your people are doing on your pay line. Not what you're doing, what they're doing. So let's continue to watch this grow. Let's bring out number 5. Okay, she's making $1,840, just one person. That's $940 per month. You get a heavy hitter out there we have people, listen, I ain't lying, and you're going to see proof of it. We have people that have stuck with this business, developed it, and grown it. And we have people in this business that make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in a week. Okay, I'm talking about a month right here. You get one person that's making $4,000 a month, you get $2,000 off of them plus the $20. Look at this grow. Look at this grow. Look at this grow. There's the number right there. Example, again, only an example. I need you to see the numbers so that you understand how this works. Because back when I was starting out, I would see a lot of people flashing big numbers. And I'm like, there is no way that you can make 4K in a week. There's no way you can make 10K or 20K, 30K in a month. But when I came across the Power Lead system and I saw an affiliate program in place like this, and I really looked at the number, I had my first $4,035 week inside of PLS. Week. Then I understood how this is achievable. Okay? This is how, because this system cares about their affiliates. They pay out more in commissions than they ever earn. I have mad respect for this company. Okay, I could go on and on about that, but I won't. But last but not least on this slide, okay, this continues on infinitely. Again, I don't have enough room to keep showing numbers, okay? But this is, you don't lose any of these commissions. These are all yours, okay? All yours. Example only. I forgot I put in my cute little guy. Dun, dun, dun. I love him. Anyways, yeah, this gets me really, really excited because, since 2012, I've been involved in so many different companies, and I found that they had a pattern in a lot of their compensation plans. Not all of them, but a lot of them, first of all, made the compensation plans very confusing. And in my opinion, I think they did that on purpose. That's a whole other conversation, okay? But there's too many loopholes that cause people to lose out on their commissions. They lose money passing people up to their sponsor. They have ridiculous prices in upsells in order to be all in with that company. I'm talking 50K price tags, 20K price tags. That's great for marketers who have found huge success online, or average everyday person that is looking to make ends meet or start a business, whatever the case may be. Gotta make it affordable, right? These are some of the things in the past that have made my head spin. Power Lead System has never done that. In my opinion, a company needs to definitely give you a very clear explanation of the compensation plan and not leave any details out. They need to give you the ability to earn multiple ways simultaneously. And look what I just showed you from the gold plus the 50% match bonus, how that's possible. They need to close the loopholes with pass-up commissions. Same thing has happened here. The only time you would ever pass up a commission is if you were not an affiliate and somebody came in and joined you. Then that person, yes, would roll up to the first person above you that was an affiliate, okay? But if you're an affiliate, you keep everything. They need to make it something that's affordable. I think you've already seen that. And also, it needs to be a well-established company. Now listen. Priceless Possibilities is the technology company that has built the Power Lead system for Neil Guest. Neil Guest and Priceless Possibilities have been working, he worked for Priceless Possibilities for years and years and years and years and years. They develop software for people and websites and lead generation and teach people how to convert sales, all kinds of stuff. They have been around since 1996. Okay, this is a very well-established company, and the company that pays all of us affiliates every single week like clockwork. I've been with them since 2013. They've never missed a payment yet. Okay, and last but not least, what I feel is that they need to make it simple and powerful. And I think you just saw a fraction of that when I just explained to you the gold and the 50% match bonus. It's simple, it's powerful, it's affordable, and it's real. So with that being said, I want to show you a couple of real results from some of our actual users inside the Power Lead system. Again, this is not a guarantee that this is what you're going to earn. You could do less, you could do more, all depends on your work ethic, okay? But when you stick with it and build, these things can happen, all right? So just a couple of them right now. Right here, that is in 1 week. 2,000, I got my little tiny glasses on, I'm trying to read. $2,544.01. In this next one, look at this. This is weekly, $818.66. Then a week before that, it was $1,411. A week before that, $834. A week before that, $752. Listen, I'm not just going to flash you all the big ones. I'm going to show that didn't sound good. I'm going to leave that in there anyways. Listen, I'm no pro. I just roll with it. And later I'm going to show you people who are just starting out as well and what they're doing, okay? But we do have some bigger paydays here. But this is to show you that this can develop into something weekly and what the possibility is of it because of the compensation plan in place. So if you see here, they had a $20 week and then a $620, and then the following week was a $3,500 week, $1,500 week, $2,600. This can start building weekly. Boom.